guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share everything that I have got from Shoppers Stop. I have actually got everything from Shoppers Stop ka website because cashkaro.com was actually giving a really good deal and everything was discounted, already discounted on Shoppers Stop ka website. Plus there was an amazing deal using Cashkaro. So in this video, of course, I would be doing a haul for you. I'm going to show you everything that I've got. Everything is under 500 rupees and I've got everything for summers. And I will also tell you as to how you can actually purchase using cashkaro.com and you can save a lot of money. So you can actually get more for what you pay for, which is amazing, right? So coming to Shoppers Stop, actually I'm pretty sure that each one of us are aware about Shoppers Stop. If you talk about myself, I have been an ardent lover of Shoppers Stop ever since I was a child. अगर कुछ कहीं नहीं मिलता था ना तो फिर Shoppers Stop चलो. Even during my first job, when I did my first job, जब मुझे कोई proper trouser नहीं मिला, I went to Shoppers Stop and what a deal I got on a Van Heusen trouser, I cannot tell you. So I'm pretty sure कि हम सबकी बहुत सारी memories associated है Shoppers Stop से. I've also done a Shoppers Stop का video पहले भी on this channel and that was a homeware haul. So Shoppers Stop is actually one destination for everything. You can get everything under one roof and right now they have some amazing sales going on, and on top of that, if you use cashkaro.com, you can have some cashback as well, which is great. If I talk about the delivery process and all, they take around 3-4 days to ship the products. They quickly deliver the products. The quality of the products is amazing because they cater to different brands and they are all of good quality. I really love Shoppers Stop and I think वहाँ सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ जरूर होता है in every price range. So you must definitely check out their website. So in this video of mine, of course, I'm going to show you everything that I've got from Shoppers Stop. Plus, I'm going to tell you as to how you can shop using cashkaro.com and get more for what you pay for. Honestly, I have saved a lot of money and I would highly suggest you guys use some smart shopping ideas, get things on discount and have some cashback as well. I think that would be amazing. So now I'm going to show you everything that I've got. I got a few things actually because Cashkaro is running a deal on their website. Actually, if you purchase anything above 500 rupees, you're going to get 240 rupees back. So that's why I wanted to make this video fatafat, because if you want to purchase anything for the coming summers, definitely this is the time to actually buy. So I will show you a couple of things that I got for myself. I got mainly t-shirts. So the first t-shirt, of course, you guys know I love the color black, so I got this really nice t-shirt. First of all, the fabric of this t-shirt, this is by a brand called as Gypsy. Gypsy is a great brand and it is a little bit expensive as well, but because this was on a discount, I got it at a very affordable rate. Of course, the prices and everything will be mentioned on the screen. This is originally for 995 and the fabric, oh my god, is amazing. So this is a top that I'm going to wear with my shorts and all, so that's why I got it. It's a very nice and a flouncy fabric. Of course, you can see very comfortable. It's just a simple t-shirt, but this frilling over here on the shoulders makes it a little bit more interesting, I feel like. So yes, this is the first top that I got. Moving on to another thing that I got is by the brand Noosh. That is Anushka Sharma's brand, I guess. And this top was actually available on Myntra as well, but the discount was not that great. But when I checked on Shoppers Stop, the discount was amazing. This top is actually for 999 and I got it for I think 449 rupees. So it is just a graphic shirt and it is again black because it's my favorite color and I really liked it. I just wanted to buy it ever since I saw it, and when this was marked down on Shoppers Stop, I thought this is the best time to actually purchase it. This looks really nice. The fabric quality is really good, guys. The fabric quality is definitely worth the money, and then it has a tie thing in the front as well. So it's a very nice top with a slight bit of interesting detail over here. So I really like it. I think these t-shirts are amazing for the coming summers, so that's why I got it. And that was the second thing that I purchased. So the third thing that I got is one of my most favorite ones actually. This is a t-shirt dress, guys, and look how cute it is, and this is for under 500 rupees. I cannot imagine. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I really need to have it. This is by a brand called Life by La Vida, and this is what it looks like. It's a jersey material, very good material, and this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful navy color with these kind of sleeves, has a zipper in the front and with these red and white stripes, and at the bottom they have these stripes over here, white stripes, and it fits me really nicely. I love this t-shirt dress to pieces. I got this in the size small and this was for I think 499 rupees or something. Originally this this is for $14.99. So you can imagine the discount, and I got cash back as well. So I feel like I actually shopped for free. This is really nice. Do let me know if you like it, because I really love it. And then there was a white dress as well which I wanted to buy. That was for I think around 399 rupees, but that went out of stock so quickly. So that's why I'm literally telling you guys, if you really want to buy some stuff for the summers, go ahead and check out Shoppers Stop Ka website. But yes, make use of cashkaro.com so that you can have cash back. The last and the final thing that I got is actually a dupatta. I got this dupatta. This is by the brand Aurelia, and it's a really nice fabric. It's really nice. I know that you can get these dupattas for a really affordable rate in the local market, but the quality of Aurelia dupattas is really nice. They actually is value for money. This is originally for I think 499. I got this one for around 300 or something. They had a lot of colors in this one, and the fabric quality is really nice. So it has a self-designed checkered pattern, and I love this color. So dupatta is always nice. So I just want to wear it like a scarf or as a dupatta. Yeah, so I'm excited to have received this. So that was my small little haul, and the only reason that I'm doing this haul is just to make you aware that you have this amazing deal on cashkaro.com, that if you purchase on Shoppers Stop using cashkaro.com, you're gonna get 240 rupees cash back on your purchase above 500 rupees, which is like you will get 50% of your money back, and plus you're getting everything at such a discounted rate. But guys, I just wanted to quickly mention over here that cashback is not applicable on purchases which is made through the app of Shoppers Stop. You actually have to log in through cashkaro.com onto their website or the mobile site, not on their app. So if you shop through their application, you will not get the cashback. That is something I just wanted to mention very quickly. And also make sure that you actually download the application of cashkaro.com. I'm going to leave links of everything in the description box, and yes, if you use the link which is given in the description box, you're going to get 25 rupees as sign-up bonus. I know it is not enough, but it is free money, so let's have it. So guys, you can avail the sign-up bonus only if you click on the link which is given in the description box below. Download their application, just sign up on the Cashkaro app, and then you can have your 25 rupees sign up amount. But of course you have to click on the link in the description box below. There is also another link which is given in the description box, that is to activate the Shoppers Stop Cashkaro ka cashback deal. So you can just click on that and activate the deal, which is very simple. So make sure that you check out the description box below to have all those links. And what do you do of the cashback? And whatever money you get from the cashback, you can actually transfer it to your bank account, guys, which is amazing. I do it all the time. The minimum amount that you need to have is 250 rupees. Once you have that amount, you can actually transfer it to your bank account. So now I'm going to quickly show you as to how you can shop on cashkaro.com. So by clicking on the link on your Android phones, you can actually download the Cashkaro app on your phone and sign up by just filling the details such as your name, email address, phone number, and all those things. It is very simple. And if you are an iOS user, then of course you have to sign up using the Cashkaro website or the Cashkaro mobile site. The link of those as well will be mentioned in the description box below. Then after the sign up, all that you have to actually do is click on the deal link, which is the second link I told you about. Just click on that. It's very simple, and you don't have to do anything. It's going to direct you to the Shoppers Stop Ka website, and you can select all your products, just add them to your cart, and if there are any coupon codes, just apply those coupon codes. Fill in the details such as your name, address, your delivery address, of course, all those details which is required, and you can proceed for payment. For payment, you can pay via any mode. You can pay via credit card, debit card, cash on delivery, and yes, Cashkaro also gives you cash back on cash on delivery orders, which is great. So a lot of you have a lot of questions ki Sana, hum prepaid order karenge tabhi hame cash back milega. No. Even if you order COD, because everything was COD, if you order on COD also, you get your cash back. So it's very good. Make use of cashkaro.com and save a lot of money. In fact, I have saved tons of money. But there's just one thing, that you'll have to pay 100 rupees if your order is below 900 rupees. For orders above 900 rupees, it is free. So once you've placed your order, which was very simple, just go back to your Cashkaro ka account, and you can track your cashback within 24 hours of placing the order. But you will see a pending status over there because your amount gets confirmed after 60 to 90 days. That means it's only after 60 to 90 days you can transfer that money in your bank account, which makes makes sense because they keep that, you know, time span of return and exchange, and when that time span of return and exchange is over, within 60 to 90 days your amount which is pending gets confirmed, and then you can transfer that amount to your bank account. I really trust cashkaro.com, and in fact cashkaro.com was actually suggested by one of my viewers here on YouTube only, and I've been using it for over 2 years now, and I have saved a lot of money. Every month I get some amount as cashback and I transfer it to my bank account, so it's very, very safe. I would definitely recommend you guys that you actually download the application from the link below. Get yourself instant bonus of 25 rupees, and of course with all your future shoppings you can actually save a lot of money, plus you can get some great deals as well. So go ahead, download the link, and everything will be given in the description box. And yes, what could be better? They're offering cashback even on COD orders, which is cash on delivery, so you don't have any problem of actually using your debit card, or there is any problem of actually putting your bank details online. You don't have to do anything of that sort. You just order your things on COD if you want to, and still you can have your cashback, which is really, really awesome. And guys, Cashkaro is also on WhatsApp now, so if you really want to be updated about some trends and deals and styles and all of that, then you can definitely subscribe to Cashkaro WhatsApp. It's very, very simple. There's a link which is given in the description box below. You just have to click on that link. That will directly take you to the WhatsApp app, and you just have to type hi. So just by sending hi, you would be added to Cashkaro's WhatsApp. You have to save their number if you want to receive messages from them. It's very, very simple, and 10 lucky users can actually win vouchers worth 1,000 for Myntra, Shein and Amazon, which is great. So just try your luck and just send hi to them and just be updated on the latest trends and fashion. I am one of those people. So let's just hang out on Cashkaro's WhatsApp. So that was it in this video of mine, guys. I really hope you found it useful. Make sure that you download the Cashkaro's app through the link which is given. I am insisting because then you will have some money in your Cashkaro's account, which is great, and you can use it, or you can just transfer it to your bank account once you have your 250k amount in your Cashkaro account. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you want to share something about Cashkaro or Shoppers Stop, or any experience that you want to share with us, please put in the comment section below. I would really appreciate it. If you've liked this video, do not forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and hit that bell button as well so that you get notification about my future videos. And yes, happy smart shopping, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. I love you very much. Bye guys. Mwah.